Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Signature by Shilpa. Today I will help you by showing how to draw 9 head fashion figure. Let's begin with 10 horizontal lines of 1 inch distance. I have named each line as line 1, line 2, line 3 till line 10. Draw 2 vertical lines. These lines will guide in drawing the figure straight. Between line 1 and 2 comes head 1. Then between line 2 and 3, head 2. Similarly, I have drawn 9 heads. This tells us why it is called 9 head technique, because its 9 heads are arranged vertically, which helps us identify the placement of each body part. It's not important to draw the heads every time you illustrate. You can do it the first time you draw. But do draw 10 horizontal lines of equal proportions to save your time, as it will give you guidelines. Between line 1 and 2, where our head 1 is, will be the head. I have drawn an oval shape. 1/3 from the head 2, that is line 2, is the neck. Then half of the head 2 is for shoulders. Shoulders can be wide or small. Top of head 3 is apex. I have drawn 2 circles. Top of head 4 will be the waistline, which is small as models are slim usually in fashion figures. 1/3 of head 4 is the high hip line, which is wider than the waist. Then top of head 5 is the crotch. I drew like a triangle. Top of head 7 is where knees are. I drew circles to show the joints. Draw straight lines from hip to the knees. Top of head 9 are the ankles/heels. Then again draw the straight line from knees to the heels. The entire fit will occupy head 9, as models usually wear heels. Now let's draw arms. We'll connect the line from shoulder to top of head 4, where the waistline is, because it is also lined for elbows. Top of head 5, where the crotch is, that guideline is also for the wrist. Two-thirds of head 5 is where the hands are going to be. These guidelines will help you to draw human figure, especially when you are a beginner. If you keep practicing slowly, you might not need the guidelines too.